Hi folks, Andrew the Fhiaba guy here. Anytime you have a flashing alarm icon, you're going to have a corresponding message on the display. In this case it's replace filter. And the filter is located up inside the cavity, so you would physically replace the filter, quarter turn, and then you can release it. There'll be a little bit of water that comes out, but don't worry, it's a sealed valve. And you place the new filter in place, quarter turn to the right, and then there is no actual connection electronically between the manifold where the filter installs into and the electronic itself, so you have to tell the electronic that you did in fact replace the filter. So we'll do that now. We'll go to functions, we'll go down to water filter, press enter, status filter, so we can view the status, or we can reset it, and that's what we want to do. We want to reset it, enter to confirm. You'll notice that immediately the alarm stops flashing, and we press menu, and you'll see that the alarm state is no longer there and the replace filter message is gone, and it will count down for another 365 days before it reminds you that it's time to replace or put a new filter in.